Hello, my name is Rick. Welcome to this video made by Let's Learn Kids. We want to share 4 easy ways to learn how to count and pronounce numbers correctly in Tagalog in under 4 minutes. If you are a native English speaker or traveling to the Philippines soon, or just like learning something new, give us 3 minutes, and you will learn how to count in Tagalog. Let's begin. The first step, pronounce the words just like they are spelled out but with 3 things in mind to consider. Second, pronounce the letter I, as you would the American letter, E. For example, in Filipino or Tagalog, 1 is spelled as I-S-A. Change the I to the American letter, E. Don't worry, we will practice this in a minute. Third, change the letter A to AH, like A, and remember that the majority of the words have the letter A. I know time is running out, but don't worry. There is plenty of time left, I guarantee it. The last step is to change the letter U to OOH. You can apply this rule to almost any Tagalog words, regardless of the country you came from. These basic techniques will always guide you well. Now, let's practice. ISA is 1 in Tagalog. Change I to the American letter E and A to AH, then pronounce it as isa. DALAWA is number 2 in Tagalog. Change A to AH, then pronounce it as dalawa. TATLO is number 3 in Tagalog. Change A to AH, then pronounce it as tatlo. Good job everyone, let's try again, say, isa, and dalawa, and then, tatlo. One more time, say, isa, dalawa, tatlo. Good job everyone. Are you ready for the next set of numbers? Let's do 4 to 7. APAT is number 4 in Tagalog. Change A to AH, then pronounce it as apat. LIMA is 5 in Tagalog. Change I to the American letter E and A to AH, then pronounce it as lima. ANIM is number 6 in Tagalog. Change A to AH and I to E, then pronounce it as anim. PITO is 7 in Tagalog. Change I to the American letter E, then pronounce it as pito. Good job everyone. Let's move on. WALO is 8 in Tagalog. Change A to AH, then pronounce it as walo. SIYAM is 9 in Tagalog. Change I to the American letter E and A to AH, then pronounce it as sham. SAMPU is 10 in Tagalog. Change A to AH and U to OOH, then pronounce it as sampu. Let's do it one more time. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, and sampu. Very good. Remember to learn something new every day. Until next time, don't forget to support our channel by subscribing and clicking like. See you in the next one.